Alttext AI review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to review Alttext AI and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to alttext.ai, or you can simply click the link on the description below and you will be directed in this page. And from here, it will show you about the information of this platform. And if you don't know this platform Alttext using AI technology that analyzes an image and produces an accurate text description. To do that, it says here, all you need to do is to upload an image. After the AI analyzes the image, you will get the alt text or the description of the image. And to access this platform, they offer a variety of pricing plan that you could also purchase. By clicking on pricing, it will show you a variety of plan that you can purchase, such as bronze, silver, gold, or credit packs plan. And below, you will see the corresponding prices that you need to pay per month, which also include a number of credits per month that you will receive as your feature or benefit. However, if you want to purchase a lifetime deal of this Alttext.ai, all you need to do is to go to appsumo.com and kindly search for Alttext AI, in which from here, they offer a lifetime deal amounting to $19, which has a 79% of discount. And from here, it will also show you the description of this platform, including automatically generate alt text for images to improve your website's SEO and accessibility. And aside from that, on the left side panel, it will show you how to use this kind of platform, which to use it, all you need to do is to upload an image. This platform will generate an alt text using AI. And aside from that, below here, you will see the plans and features that is included in this lifetime deal. Those features included generate alt text for a single image or bulk upload a CSV. And you could also get all current and future e-commerce integrations such as WooCommerce and Spotify and many more. And below here, you will see the plans that is only a one-time purchase, such as License Tier 1, License Tier 2, and 3. And below is the corresponding prices and the benefits that they included. If you scroll down below here, it will show you other questions with its corresponding answers and also the review from other customer who already purchased in this platform. So if you are interested in buying a lifetime deal amounting to $19, you can go in this website. Now going back to this website, I'm going to choose to start free trial. And to do that, just click Start Free Trial on the top right corner. And after that, just sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. And after that, you will be directed in this dashboard, in which below here, it will show you that you can choose how you would like to use Alttext AI, such as for your browser, Shopify app, HighGraph CMS, WordPress, and many more. And now, to start uploading image, just proceed by clicking image option on the top panel. And from here, to get started with this example, all you need to do is to click the button below in order to generate alt text for the image of a butterfly. So you can try this kind of example. However, in this case, I'm going to find on Google an image that I can upload on this platform. So let's say I'm looking for an image that kid eating vegetables. So below the image result, you can select any of those images that you want to upload on the Alttext AI. And as you can see here, we have a variety of pictures or images that you can choose to save before uploading to the platform. And let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So kindly right-click on it and save this image. And as you can see, the image has now been downloaded. And now the next thing that we need to do is to upload on Alttext.ai. And to do that, kindly click the image button on the top panel. And from here, you have the option either to input the image URL or to upload a file from your computer. And make sure that the file that you will upload is JPG, PNG, GIF, WebP, or even BMP kind of file type with a maximum of 10 megabytes and at least contain a 50 by 50 pixel. And after uploading the image from your computer files, below here, you could also enter your asset ID. However, it is only optional. You could input to assign your own unique ID to this image. And aside from that, you could also select an alt text language, but I'm going to choose or stick to English language And beside of it, you can check these boxes for human review to enhance and correct alt text if there's an error that happened. However, this will use an additional 15 credits on your account. And below here, you could also check these boxes if the image is an e-commerce image, in which by checking these boxes, you can add a specific product and brand name to be used in the alt text. Now, let's proceed by clicking the Add Image button, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And as you can see, this is the result of alt text in our image. The result below, you will see the asset ID, the URL, and the alt text, which is a young boy. It's a ball of salad. So to check if those alt texts are actually accurate, we can go back to the Google search. As you can see, it is actually a young boy eating a bowl of salad. So this means that this platform, Alttext.ai, is actually accurate in giving an alt text. But that is just one way to get an alt text in this platform, since you could also navigate the script page option on the top panel, in which upon clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do in order to get an alt text is to enter the web page URL. And after entering a web page URL below, this platform will scrape all the images on the page and generate alt text for them. Well, let's try to find a website, and after clicking on a specific website, we will paste the copy URL in here. So from this page, as you can see here, if you scroll down below, you will see a variety of images that contain in this web page. And now, let's try to copy the URL of this web page and paste it in this platform. And aside from that, below here, you could also select an alt text language. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Scrape Page button. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the result of page scrape. And below, you will see the total images that has been found, the image that has been processed, and the image that has been skipped. Below here, you will see each image that has been processed and skipped. And as you can see here, the reason why some of the images has been skipped is because they already have an alt text on it. From here, if you click View Library, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you the amount or each images that has been processed and the alt text or description that provide in this platform. And in order to check, based on the alt text, if those kind of picture also exists on this web page, we can just scroll down and look for the images with just the same description of it. And aside from those options, you could also navigate and upload CSV, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, you need to have a CSV template to start filling out, or you can use the template by clicking Google Sheet template or download the example CSV. So let's say we're going to use Google Sheet template. So upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which in this page, it is divided into different columns such as URL, asset ID, augment, language, ecom product, ecom brand, keywords, and notes. So this is what the Alttext AI CSV upload template looks like. And if you want to use it, kindly proceed by clicking File and download this kind of template. And after downloading, you can proceed by uploading it in here and enter your email address to receive a notification upon uploading on this platform. And after that, it will show you the results which contain alt text based on your CSV upload file. So that is just Alttext AI review and tutorial. Thank you.